Hello everyone, so we're here from this analyze of these games in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2025. So it means round number 3 in these challengers in this game from this tournament. So it means long game within 1 hour and 40 minutes. Oh, exchange time. So it means exchange time by 1 hour 40 minutes in this clock from round number 3. So it means last round number 2, so it means 1 hour 30 minutes from this long game. So it means this in today's round number 3, exchange clock from 40 minutes in this 1 hour. Long game from this game. So and also have between from this international master in China is Lu Miaoyi. So it means nickname is Meow Meow. Meow Meow. I thought cat or kittens here from this. So from from this one, so it means kitten. Meow Meow. So it means Meow Meow. Nickname Meow Meow. So it means Meow Meow. Meow Meow. So it means Lu Miaoyi is her mother by so it means Zhu Yuan in this woman grandmaster. So it means family related from this one in this China from this one. So it means Lu Miaoyi is very cute or maybe focusing on this brilliant chess game from this one. So it means realizations from this thinking from this one. And also have a grandmaster from this Germany is Frederick Svein. So it means grandmaster from this one. Ratings by 2664 from this one, ratings from this one. So it means in this round number 3 in this long game by challengers, so in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 3 in challengers in Tata Steel. So white plays Meow Meow is e4, e6 French defense by Frederic, and also d4 normal variation, and also d5, and also it takes d5. So it means exchange variation by Meow Meow. So it means exchange variation. So it means, what do you think? If you move by also that is e5 here from this one, or maybe c5. So it means c5 or maybe c3 here. So it means c3 and also knight c6 and also have a knight f3. So it means knight f3 are realized from this variation of this white and blacks here. So it means Meow Meow captured by pawn takes d5. So it means exchange variation. And Frederick moved by captured by e takes d5. So it means pawn from this captured. And also knight f3, so it means Meow Meow clean from this move by Meow Meow, and also knight f6 by Frederick. So it means same from this white and black from cleanliness by move here, and also bishop d3, and also bishop d6. So it means same by bishop. So it means Meow Meow. So it means upcoming castle king side, and also Frederick coming castle king side. So it means determination by this one. And also castle king side, and also bishop g5. So it means Meow Meow. So it means threatening of this pin by queen. So it means threatening. And also bishop g4. So it means Frederick here with the pin from this queen. So it means pin here from this one. And also knight bd2. So it means knight bd2. So it means nice move by Meow Meow from this development by focusing on these games. And also h6. So it means h6 with the threatening of this bishop. And also bishop backwards h4. So it means realized by Meow Meow. So it means bishop. So it means threatening knights here from this one, threatening here. And also knight b d7. And also she moves by c4 by Meow Meow. So it means realize from this focusing of this move by Meow Meow here. And also pawn takes c4, knight takes c4, and also knight b6. So it means knight b6 is novelty by Frederick Spain from this game. So it means novelty by black. So it means all main line there is bishop backwards e7. So it means bishop backwards e7 are old main lines here. So back there is novelty knight b6 and also knight e3. So it means knight e3 by Meow Meow with the with a target of this bishop, threatening bishop here from this one. And also good move bishop e6. So it means good move by Frederick from this one. So it means realize that from Frederick from this grandmaster. So it means backward. He decided to backwards bishop e6 here. For example, in accept, why don't we capture this bishop takes knight with the decision? So what do you think on this one? And also queen takes bishop. So it means realize by Meow Meow with idea decided to move by this knight f3. I'm sorry, knight f5. So it means sorry, I got wrong these notes here. So it means what? So it means knight f5. So it means realize by Meow Meow with the threatening of bishop, or maybe here bishop threatening here knights here from this one. So it means knights. I'm sorry, I got wrong my notes here from this one. So it means I got wrong from this one. So it means knight f5. Here are examples here. I'm sorry, I forgot something in thinking here. So back here is bishop e6 and also bishop c2. So it means bishop c2 by Meow Meow. So it means with the idea of this queen d3, or maybe here threatening checkmate. So it means first eliminate by knights here from this one. So it means eliminate here. So it means first eliminate by bishop captured by knights here from this one. And also rook e8. So it means Frederick rook e8. So it means with a pin of this knight here. So it means pin. So it means pin here. And also queen d3. So it means queen d3 again move. So it means good decisions by Meow Meow. So it means queen d3 with a coming here. This one. So it means bishop. We need first eliminate by capture this knight here from this one. And also c6 and also rook f e1. So it means good decisions by Meow Meow from this focusing of this her move. So it means nice move by Kid by Meow Meow. So it means nice move. And also knight bd7. So it means realized by Frederick. So it means decided knight bd7 only development. And also knight f5, very strongest move by Meow Meow. So it means Meow Meow with a target of this bishop. So it means realize this development. So it means attacking this bishop. And also bishop backwards f8. So it means bishop backwards f8. So it means good decisions by Frederick here. And also knight e5. So it means strongest move by Meow Meow. So it means very good very good move by Meow Meow here from this development. So it means so ready of this capture knight here, or maybe in black pieces knight. So it means ready of this one. So it means target by knights here from this one. And also knight takes e5 and also rook takes e5. So it means good decisions here, development by Meow Meow here from this one. So it means very good move by Kid. And also g6 with the threatening knights, and also knight g3. So it means knight g3. So it means knight g3 and also bishop g7. So it means bishop g7 by Frederick Pin by rook here from this one. So for example, in if you move if you move g5 here, so it means long collides here. So bishop still not moved by bishop by Meow Meow. So it means long collides. So it means long collides here from this one. So it means lock. So it means lock here. So back there is bishop g7 and another good move, knight e4. Very good by Meow Meow. So it means nice move by from this development by this Meow Meow here. And also bishop f5 by Frederick. Oh my god, low. So it means low evaluation bar. So it means bishop f5 is blunderation. Still, I'm shouting. So it means red boards. So it means double question mark. So it means bishop f5 is blunderatious by Frederick in Grandmaster. So the best moves there is g5. So it means with the threatening of this bishop here from this one, if you sacrifice this knight takes pawn, so it means knight takes g5, or maybe pawn takes knight, or maybe rook takes pawn. So it means realized by good decisions by Meow Meow by in this focusing of this great move by develop in this game from this white. So back there is bishop f5, so it means after bishop f5, so it means realize with the focus idea, so it means first puzzle by new sacrifice, brilliant sacrifice by Meow Meow from this from these games from this one. So it means brilliant sacrifice by Meow Meow. So while waiting for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats from everyone is knight takes f6 sacrificed by Meow Meow. So it means very very good move by Meow Meow. So it means strongest move. So it means threatening by queen. So it means threatening queen and also bishop takes knight. So it means bishop takes knights here. So for example, in accept, why don't we capture this bishop takes f6 here from this one? And also rook takes rook check. So it means rook takes e8 check. Or maybe queen takes rook. So it means queen takes rook. For this one, if you capture this here. Oh, so it means knight takes f6 check. Oh, threatening. So it means trap this queen, or maybe trap here, or maybe king g7, or maybe king g7, and also knight takes queen, or maybe rook takes knight. Still here by this one, and decided queen c3. So it means simple is that by white. So it means wins from white by Meow Meow. So it means lost by black. So back there is bishop takes e4 and also bishop takes d8 queen. So it means lost queen by Frederick here from this one. So it means lost queen. And also rook takes e5. So it means rook takes e5. So it means rook to rook by Frederick. This one, so it means captured. And also queen c3. So it means queen c3. So it means queen c3 by Meow Meow. So it means realized by focusing by very good move by Meow Meow. And also rook e6. So it means decisions by Frederick here from this one. So it means focusing by developed by black pieces. And also bishop a5. So it means very very good decisions by Meow Meow. So it means nice move by Meow Meow. So it means realize she was a focusing here. And also bishop takes c2, or maybe queen takes c2. So it means queen takes c2 are captured. And also bishop takes d4. So it means bishop takes d4, and also bishop c3. So it means bishop c3, and also rook a e8. So it means battery. So it means battery. So it means coming of this one. Danger by e1 check. So from this one. For example, if you accept, why don't we capture this bishop takes bishop, and also queen takes bishop. So, or maybe if you rook here, rook a e8 from this development battery coming check. So it means battery here, and also king f1. So it means realized by Meow Meow. So it means development by focusing move by in this white pieces. So it means develop. So back there is rook a e8. So it means battery, and also this she decided king f1. So it means very very good decisions by Meow Meow. So it means very cute. and also bishop c5, so it means avoided. And last shot is rook e1, so it means rook e1, so it means resigned by GM Frederick in Germany. Re- so it means resigned by black. So why he resigns? Because for example, if you rook takes capture check, or maybe bishop takes e1, so it means decided here from this one. If you, or maybe rook takes here, or maybe king takes rook, so it means queen and bishop by also that, so it means white queen and bishop black, so it means wins for white, so it means loss from black, so it means he decided to resign by GM Frederick. So it means the winner of this very cute from this international master in China, Lu Miaoyi, is nickname Meow Meow. Meow Meow. So it means congratulations from Meow Meow. So it means keep up the good works on this one. I hope on this part of this game from this one. So thank you so much here from watching here from this one. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Thank you so much here from this one. Have a good day, keep safe, and bye bye.